Let's draw a turkey.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. Before we start today's video, I want to thank Jonah for today's drawing idea. We're going to start off today's turkey drawing by making a circle in the center of our paper. This circle is going to be the turkey's body for our turkey drawing. You can use a pencil, a pen, or even a marker to do the outline for today's drawing. So once we have our bigger circle, we're going to draw the head of our turkey. I'm going to do that by drawing a smaller circle at the top of my big circle, just like this. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even watch it again once we're done. Now that we have our two circles, it's time to add wings to our turkey drawing. We're gonna do that by coming to the bigger circle and drawing these curves that come down from the top and over to the side. We're gonna draw two of these, and these are going to represent the little turkey wings sitting on the turkey's body. Nice job, you guys. Now let's come up to our little circle and draw the face on our turkey drawing. We're gonna do that by drawing two simple dots as our turkey's eyes. I'm gonna draw one over here and another one over here. Underneath the eyes, I'm going to draw my turkey's beak. These are nice and simple to do. What they really look like are triangles. So I'm gonna draw a triangle right beneath my turkey eyes. A triangle has three sides and it comes to a little point like this. Now, if you've ever looked at a turkey before, you might see that they have some stuff that kind of hangs underneath their turkey beaks. So I'm gonna do that by drawing a curved shape right to the side of my turkey's triangle beak, okay? I'm just gonna add it in right here. And when we go to color that later, we're gonna make it a different color from our beak. Coming down to the bottom of our bigger circle, I'm going to draw two curves, and these curves are going to be the very tops of our turkey legs. Next, we're going to draw a simple line that comes down for our turkey's legs with three little points that represent our turkey's feet. I'm gonna do this on both sides of the body so our turkey can have two legs today. Don't feel too stressed about making your lines perfectly straight. It's okay if they're a little wobbly. I want to add a simple little feather at the very top of our turkey's head. I'm going to do that by drawing a little teardrop shape that comes right out of the top of my turkey's head. Now, something that really separates turkeys from other birds is they have so many feathers that come out of their back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to the very top of my turkey and I'm gonna start adding in all of those feathers. I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna draw my feathers as curves that come out. And I'm just going to repeat each curve along from the top of my turkey all the way to the bottom. And once I finish that side, I'll repeat the exact same process to the other side. I'll give you guys a little bit of time right now to work on the feathers for your turkey drawing. And now for my favorite part of the day, adding in the color. But first, while you guys finish up your drawing, I want to introduce you to my old friend. He's going to share with you guys the word of the day.
Hello friends, my name is Artsy Arthur. My old friend Mariah asked me if I'd be willing to come onto the show and share our word of the day, so let's get to it. Today's word is thankfulness. Thankfulness is being grateful for the things that make you smile and feel warm inside. It's like saying a big thank you with your heart for all the awesome people, places and things that bring you joy. That is what we celebrate at Thanksgiving. That reminds me, I'm rather hungry for a Thanksgiving feast. Now, let's get back to our drawing lesson with my pal Mariah. Toodaloo!
Thank you, Arthur. It was so good to see you. Okay, you guys, let's color in our turkey drawing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick out a light brown color and I'm gonna start coloring in my turkey's head and my turkey's body. And I'm making sure I'm not coloring in the beak yet. We're gonna leave that blank and come back to that in just a little bit. I'm gonna color in the body of my turkey drawing. I'm making sure I'm not coloring in the wings on my turkey yet because I'm gonna make those a different color as well. So right now we're just focusing on the head and the body of our turkey drawing. Now it's time to color in the wings. I'm going to be using a darker brown color. I'm gonna take that dark brown and I'm gonna start filling in those sides of those wings that we created earlier. Very nice job. I'm also going to use that same brown and I'm gonna use that to color in the legs on my turkey. Next, I'm gonna take a bright yellow color and I'm gonna use that to fill in my turkey's beak. After that, I'm gonna take a little bit of red and I'm gonna add that to complete our turkey's face. And now for the fun part. We're gonna start working on our turkey's feathers. I'm gonna be picking some fall colors for my turkey. So I'm gonna be using red, orange, and yellow, and I'm just gonna repeat that over and over in my turkey feathers. But if you guys wanted to get really creative with this, you could use any colors you think of to create the feathers on your turkey drawing. I'm filling in my turkey feathers with a solid color, but you could also go in and you could add polka dots, you could add stripes. There's so many ways that you could make the feathers on your turkey unique and super fun. We're gonna be celebrating Thanksgiving in a couple of weeks, and I think this would be such a fun drawing to put on your refrigerator to decorate your house for Thanksgiving. And there you have it, our very own turkey drawing. Today's featured artist is Chloe and Lily. Check out these super talented sisters. I am so impressed with their pumpkin drawings. Keep up the great work, Chloe and Lily. I can't wait to see what you girls create next. If you would like to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination, so keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on my next artsy adventure.
Remember to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things Artsy with Mariah. Until next time, toodaloo, my artsy friends.